Hi everybody, I hope you're all well and having a great day. It's really sunny out there, which is actually quite nice. No rain for a change. I wanted to say a massive thank you to everybody who went over to my Plot 25+1 subscriber plot channel. I hit the 1,000 milestone, which is absolutely amazing. It just means that Google pay me the ad revenue rather than pay themselves, so that's fantastic. So all the ads, whatever ads I've watched, the unskippable ones, etc., that little bit of pennies will come to me instead of to Google. So that's absolutely, honestly, it's massive for me. So yeah, thank you for that. I always leave a link in the description to it if you fancy having a look. Always appreciate that. I am currently in the middle of renovating the shed and I have really good progress on that. I was lining it the other day and I was painting the inside. I was actually gardening as well, but you know, you have to mix it up a bit. And also it needs doing ready for the winter. Yeah. So look, I've really fancied lemon and walnut cookies today, or stroke biscuits, depending on which side of the pond you're on. Biscuits or cookies, which are you? For me, they're biscuits, but you know, they could be cookies too. It certainly sounds nicer. Lemon and walnut cookies are stroke biscuits. Lemon, oh, this whole kitchen smells lemony. Why is lemon so lovely? I mean, it's such a lovely smell. Come and have a look at the ingredients. So really simple, it's plain flour. The ingredients list will float up. Butter or marge, you know, I always use the cheap butter just to help with costs. Walnuts, which I'm going to roughly chop. There's lemon, which is optional if you didn't have lemon but you had walnuts, and I'm going to throw in a teaspoon of vanilla essence as well, just for an extra flavour. Oh, and sugar. So I'm going to cream the sugar and marge first before adding the flour and the chopped nuts and the lemon essence, etc. I will put you up on the wall. So yeah, let's get started and get cracking. I'm looking forward to this. It's a lovely summer holiday, middle of the summer holidays treat. See you in a bit. So before I do anything, I'm going to mix the walnuts in my little hand mixer thingy-majiggy. It says finely chopped walnuts. There you go. So I'm just going to add the marge, sugar. I'm just going to mix it by hand, just saves me getting out the electric mixer. It's just not a massive amount, so. Just going to add a teaspoon of the vanilla essence. The lemon zest. Oh, that smells good. Right, I'm going to slowly add the flour. It does say sift, but my what's it called? My sieve is busy in the fridge. So I'm going to make a chicken soup from the Sunday roast chicken. Right, I'm just going to put in the walnuts now. It's going to form a soft dough and stick it in the fridge for 30 minutes before I make my biscuit stroke cookie shapes. Right, I'm just going to cover this and stick it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So I'll see you in a bit. So they've been chilling, the cookie stroke biscuit dough. Yeah. Right, I'm just going to put it on a lightly floured surface. There's about just under 1 centimetre thickness. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I've got a cutter. We're just going to go see what we can. "13 cookies, and I can see the lemon zest sticking out. I can't wait to try these. So we're going to put them in the Ninja. Any leftovers I'm going to stick in the Cosori. Yeah, so we're going to cook these now. So I've already lined the drawers, and I'm just going to get them in now. I think maybe 6. That'd be interesting actually if there's 13. Not sure how much these will spread. They might not spread at all. So I'll get them in. I'll get them all in. I don't think I will use the Cosori because for one, that's silly. I'll squeeze in. So I'll get these all in and I'll be back. So I got the whole lot in. I kind of reshaped that for obvious reasons. Yeah, let's get them in the Ninja and fire it up. So it'll be match, bake. Right, we're going to leave it at 160. The Fahrenheit will pop up here. Let's say 20 minutes. I don't know because this is the recipe we had just oven instructions. So and it was a 30+ minutes. So and I will need to flip them. So and I will check them halfway. See you in a bit. Right. So I've got a bit sidetracked. It's just been over. So let's have a quick look. Oh yeah. Oh well, they're fine, absolutely fine. But I definitely need to flip. Right, I'm going to flip them and then I'll be back. So I flipped them and now I'm going to put them back in and maybe check 3 minutes time roughly because I'm not sure how long the other side's going to take. See you in a bit. I've let it run for the full 20 minutes. So let's have a look. Ooh, oh nice. So I'm going to transfer these. Let's have a look. Draw one. Ooh, lovely. I always think drawer 1's slightly more ferocious than drawer 2. Anyway, that's pretty cool. I'm going to transfer these to the cooling rack. I'll be back in a tick. Right, so before I get into the taste test, let's have a closer look. Oh, yum. I have worked out the cost price of all of this for 13 cookies stroke biscuits. It was £1.59 to make with all those ingredients, which kind of on the face of it seems quite expensive, but if you've already got the ingredients in-house, then it's kind of already been bought and paid for but just needs to be put together. I did already have walnuts in my cupboard because I bought them a while back, sort of when I made that. I mean, I'm planning on doing another walnut cake, or because that's delicious. So I had some already in the cupboard and I was thinking, oh, what can I do with walnuts? And I had a lemon in the fridge, and got to try both. So I'm really looking forward to this. So just for the thumbnail. Oh, slidey slippy. Yeah, let's try one. I'm really looking forward to this. Still a bit warm. Oh, I was wondering where the lemon zest was, but then it started to come through. Oh, the lemon is lovely, and I like the kind of slightly nutty flavour. It's really yummy. Oh yeah, the lemon. I think without the lemon, there'd probably be a bit. Just add something. That's really yummy. Ooh, these aren't going to last long in this house. 2 teenage boys. Jim's already had a taste test. Really yummy. Right, I will finish that. I'm gonna make a coffee. Finish my biscuit. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks again for all those that came over to my Plot 25 YouTube channel and helping me get to the 1,000 mark. I really appreciate that. Yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.